You've heard me say it before, brand storytelling is powerful because it creates a connection on an emotional level. And one US floor cleaning company took this to a whole new level and did it brilliantly. They were looking to boost awareness of their service, and they certainly achieved this with massive media and social sharing for a floor cleaning business. Back in September 2019, Tenant launched the Custodians Are Key contest, which ran until the end of April 2020. They invited people to nominate a school janitor who they believed was making a difference. The winning custodian would receive $5,000 and the school $10,000. In the end, more than 2,000 teachers, administrators, and other staff submitted their nominations by writing a 500-word essay on their favorite janitor and why he or she matters to the school. The winner from Ohio knew all the name of 300 students at the school, and it created a lunchtime woodworking program which was supported by the local hardware store. Now, in the midst of this contest, COVID happened, and Tenant happened to be in full brand awareness swing. Some would consider this divine timing. Custodians are typically not decision makers or influencers in Tenant's world, but many of the nominators were. So Tenant's sales professionals were able to call and thank them for recognizing a colleague and then steer that into a sales conversation with a greater than 30% success rate. So let me ask you this. When you consider your story, who is the unsung hero of your brand? Because if you want to make storytelling work, you have to have a human hero at the center.